Mascot Towers residents in Sydney have agreed to pay a $7 million levy to fix the cracked apartment complex. Stella Todorovic is live from Mascot Towers. And Stella, this decision was not unanimous.
No, Pete, it wasn't. Nevertheless, the money will be spread across the 132 units in the complex. Behind me, over 4 stages of remedial works in the building, which would see each apartment paying approximately $53,000. There are fears that this figure could more than double. Residents, Pete, still have no clue as to when they'll be allowed back into their homes, but they're hopeful that the appointment of a building commissioner will help ease that pain and potentially speed up the process.
The fact that Commissioner Chandler was very quick to come and visit this site, was very quick in what we regarded as his very accurate assessments as to the engineering and building construction standards on this site.
Pete, Mascot Towers was evacuated in June when cracks appeared in the basement. Just yesterday, the state government offered to extend that emergency fund that it's been providing for residents to help with accommodation costs. It was initially a 3-month emergency fund, and now they're offering a further 3 months of emergency assistance for these residents. I spoke to Yasmin Catley, who is the New South Wales Deputy Labor Leader, a little bit earlier today, and she told me that it's really important to keep in mind how shocking and distressing this situation would be for residents. In a statement to Sky News, she says it was in the building inquiry that the building commissioner was asked if he felt the current assistance was adequate. That inquiry certainly provided a lot of pressure on the government. Pete, this ordeal is taking its toll on families. In that same inquiry just last week, we heard from one resident who broke down in tears, describing the emotional and financial turmoil that this has put his family in. This inquiry will continue next week on Tuesday, when it will conclude, hopefully, with a resolution for the residents of not only the Mascot Towers but also the Opal Tower, who have been displaced given these defects in apartment buildings across Sydney.